world where data is our most prized possession, security is paramount. But what if I told you there's a technology on the horizon that could change the game forever? Welcome to quantum cryptography. The digital age is vulnerable, with cyber threats and breaches on the rise. But fear not, as a new era dawns, promising unbreakable encryption and secure communication. To understand this groundbreaking technology, we must delve into the realm of quantum mechanics. Quantum cryptography leverages principles like superposition and entanglement. While classical encryption uses bits, quantum cryptography employs quantum bits, or qubits, which can exist in multiple states simultaneously, vastly expanding the encryption landscape. Quantum cryptography introduces quantum key distribution, a method that ensures secure key exchange. It's a process where eavesdropping can be detected and prevented. The QKD protocol establishes a secret key between two parties, allowing them to communicate securely, even in the presence of a potential eavesdropper. The revolutionary aspect of quantum cryptography lies in its unbreakable nature. Classical encryption could be vulnerable to brute force attacks, but quantum encryption provides unparalleled security. Unlike classical encryption, attempting to hack a quantum encrypted message would disturb the system, instantly alerting both sender and receiver, making eavesdropping a futile endeavor. Quantum cryptography isn't confined to theory. It's already making waves in secure communications, financial transactions, and even data protection. Dedicated researchers and labs worldwide are tirelessly working to advance this technology, paving the way for a future where data security is no longer a concern. As we stand at the threshold of this quantum revolution, the promise of absolute data security beckons. Quantum cryptography is not just a glimpse of the future, it's the dawn of a new era. If you're as fascinated as we are about the potential of quantum cryptography and its transformative impact, don't forget to like this video, share your thoughts in the comments below, subscribe to our channel for more intriguing content, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our journey through the quantum realm. Until next time.